Hi you guys, I'm going to preview the assignment called Photosynthesis and the Chloroplast. Here's a brief introduction. We want you to read it. Part 1 is an activity that you will do at the front of the room. We'll probably call you up in the front of the room to do it with either Megan or Melissa. After you do the activity, there are 4 short questions that relate to the activity. You're going to scroll down because you're not quite done yet. Part 2 has its own introduction, and here's a little hint about these introductions. They're going to summarize what you're about to learn. So it's really helpful to read the introduction. So read the introduction, picture of a plant cell with a chloroplast, resources, and then this is what we're asking you to do. Use the resources, edit the drawings to show which molecules move into a chloroplast and which move out of a chloroplast. If you don't know how to edit the drawing, click on that link right there. It will show you how to do it. 3 short questions, 1 sentence each. Describe the job of the stomata, describe what you think would happen if plant cells did not have a chloroplast, and explain why photosynthesis is necessary for all other organisms to survive. Okay, 3 short questions. Last section is called Rewind and Relate. So you're going to want to go back to the last assignment that you worked on, which was diffusion and osmosis in this case, and you're going to identify the process and explain how carbon dioxide moves, how oxygen moves, how water moves, and a little question about the microscope. So go back to your E-Lab, and that is in your notebook. Familiar vocabulary is listed. You do not need to do anything with it except look at it and make sure you are familiar with it. Okay, so that is a preview of photosynthesis, which is a process, and the chloroplast, which is the organelle where that process happens.